How to fix Instagram profile not changing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram profile not changing on Android phone. First then open settings and then just click apps and then apps again, and now just search for Instagram, click on it, and storage. Here you will find clear cache, click on it and then force stop. Now just go to permissions and enable all of those here, and now just go back and you can clear your phone cache if you want. Click clean up, and here you will find junk files or cache. Just clean it and then go back and restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.